What's up, guys? They want you another video. Today I'm so freaking excited, bro. You guys don't understand. Look at this new mod that we just got in the mail. You guys ready for this? Comment down below. What do you guys think it is first and foremost? The little square box, rectangle box. Check this out, bro. Now can you guys guess what it is? I'm so freaking excited. This is gonna change the whole driving experience of this car, bro, I swear. Before I show you, pumping gas right now. I don't know how gas got so expensive again, bro. $6? There's no way. Anyways, today should be cool. We're gonna install this mod right now, and then we're also gonna do an oil change on the car because, to be honest, I haven't done an oil change on this car at all since I got the car. And I probably should have done this a long time ago. I probably should have done it like the week of me buying the car. Hold on, real quick. Guys, check this out. TRX. And I'm curious to see how much he spent on gas. I'm gonna go look right now. And I know the TRX is horrible on gas, bro. I'm just curious to see how much he spent versus how much I'm about to spend. 163. Oh my God. All right, I don't want a TRX no more, bro. 163, bro. And you know that shit only lasts probably like 2 days in that truck. With the Hellcat engine, you know you're not gonna drive it calm. You're gonna be stepping on it all the time. Anyways, bro, let's get to the new mod, guys. We got something special for my guys over at Carbonized. If you guys can't tell already, it is a steering wheel for the G80, guys. You guys see the stock steering wheel over there. Again, one of those mods that I just cannot wait to install, guys. Like I said, this is gonna change the entire driving experience. It's something that you hold on to every day when you're driving the car, so it's a big difference. It's a big mod, and it looks beautiful. Get ready to see it, guys. Before I show you, I wanna give a huge shout out to them, though. They make some crazy steering wheels. And guys, this is a 2025 GAX steering wheel. If you guys don't know already, the 2025 models actually changed the entire steering wheel design, so oh my God, bro. This is so clean. So yeah, you guys can tell right off the bat how different it is. I'll show you side by side right now, but wow, bro. Full Alcantara. We got the carbon all over. Got the little slats in here, which is really sick. We even have the steering wheel heater built in still, which is great. And then the red stripe to go with the red accents, like the red brakes, the red stripe. This is gonna look sick. The red tail lights, so freaking nice and so well built. I actually opened it yesterday, so this is not my first reaction, guys. I just could not wait. I was so impatient to look at it. The quality is insane. The carbon is insane. We got the M colors on there, the red stripe, and the full Alcantara wheel. And again, this is the 2025 design, so let me show you how different it is. Right off the bat, you can tell the center part. This is where the steering wheel warmer's at, but it's way thicker than this. So this has like these little slots in here, and then it has the steering wheel button under there, so it's all hidden. But yeah, it's completely different design. This is actually like a flat bottom as well, and this is all round, so way different, way better, and dude, it's gonna freaking change the whole driving experience, I'm telling you guys. Also with those red buttons on top right here, the red M buttons, it's gonna look sick with the red stripe. So again, guys, huge shout out to the guys at Carbonized. They're the ones who designed and made the steering wheel from scratch, and it looks crazy. If you guys wanna update your G80 steering wheel, definitely hit them up. I'll leave the link right here, and I'll leave the link down below. Trust me, this is probably the coolest mod you could possibly do for these cars. So let's hurry up and go to Daniel's house, get this thing installed. I cannot wait. It honestly looks bigger, but I think it's just the G80, bro. The G80, everything in the G80 is bigger, bro. The steering wheel, the car itself. Next, we gotta get this Alcantara, this whole center console, and maybe this Alcantara as well. All right, we made it to Daniel's house, guys. We already got the car up in the air. The oil's already draining in the bottom, so doing an oil change, finally. What's bad is, bro, I don't even know when the last time this car's had an oil change, because I bought the car, and I just started driving it. I should have done it as soon as I bought the car, but
better late than never.
Yeah, FindingNick fashion.
With style.
All late.
Yeah, no, it's with style.
But yeah, Daniel's helping me out. We're doing an oil change here, and now we're about to swap the steering wheel. So I'm so excited. I already showed you guys how it looks. It looks crazy. So on the car, it's gonna look sick.
Oh yeah, it's gonna look amazing.
Daniel wants one for his car now.
I do. I want one. Especially because it's a CS, the new
yeah.
2025 edition with the flat bottom.
Flat bottom, like even the little center thing's different, huh? Everything's different. So
and you retain the heated features.
I know. So that's what's good, guys. It still has a heated steering wheel option, so that is really sick. I'm over here trying to edit my vlog right now. This is the Beamer show vlog. So I'm trying to edit that right now and get it up. It's already so late, bro. 2 p.m. Dude, I haven't posted. Damn. I gotta post today still.
Yeah. But it has more content, right?
Yeah, this is a long vlog, I'm not gonna lie. That's why it's taking so long. But yeah, we're draining all the oil. Got the engine cover off, the intakes. Looking good. Daniel also installed the intakes. Shout out to Daniel. Can't wait to drive the car with the new steering wheel. It's gonna be sick. And also with the new oil, of course.
On the new steering wheels, you have to actually pierce the covering that they have for you to release it. So
back here, huh?
yeah, so I had a D version as your steering wheel.
Yeah, you literally have to make a hole, bro, which is kind of scary, but you gotta do it. We already unplugged the battery so it doesn't explode in Daniel's face. So we did that. Swap everything over to the new wheel. This thing's gonna look so good, bro. Damn. Also, look at Daniel's garage. It's a vibe, huh? With the pool right there. But your backyard is so nice. There you go. We got the horn off.
So now I'll just get the 16. And then that should release the steering wheel. And then we're gonna go ahead and swap out just these internals right here. The buttons, the M1, M2. And then everything should just be a direct plug and play.
Look, we already got it off. Super easy.
You know, it's funny, for a second I forgot that this is the manual. I was gonna look for the paddle shift. I was like, hey, where's the paddle shifters?
That's crazy, it has no paddles on. Putting the fresh oil in.
Brand new.
Alright guys, here we have a F90 M5.
That shit is sick, bro. Honestly, you could get one of those too.
M5?
Yeah.
Pretty nice, huh?
Orange.
Should be hard.
Imagine G. That's the same one as Air's?
Yeah.
No way.
F90.
Why does it look so much crazier? It's black.
Cleaner.
The black is fire. Alright guys, we're done. Look how nice it freaking looks, dude. Oh my god, it changed the whole interior, bro. The full Alcantara with the red stripe and the red buttons. It's everything I wanted, guys. It looks crazy, bro. I can't wait to go drive it. And it feels so good. Like I said, I think a steering wheel is probably the best mod ever because you actually hold it every single day. You're driving it every single day. And it's a mod that you actually look at and feel all the time. So probably one of the coolest little mods. It changes the whole driving experience and it looks good. You know what I gotta do? I gotta change these lights to red, bro. Red lights with the red stripes. I think I have to coat it though. Aris did it for me one time, but I gotta have him do it again. Right now we're trying to warm the car up, so we did an engine oil measurement just to make sure we put the right amount of oil in it, which I'm sure we did. But this car is coming together so nicely. And guys, huge shout out to my boy Daniel for also installing it for me. Daniel also did the oil change for me today, and he takes care of my car just as if he would take care of his own. So I appreciate that. If you guys need any BMW work done, DM Daniel. I'll leave his Instagram right here. Not only does he have crazy ass cars, he has an M4 F82 and he has a G80 M3, but he also works on a bunch of the homies' cars, and he's willing to work on your guys' cars too. You just hit him up, send him a message, let him know what you want to do. So if you guys need any like bolt-ons installed, steering wheels, oil changes, maintenance, he can do it, guys. Just send him a message. He'll get you in his schedule. He's very busy, but he can fit you in his schedule. He treats your car like it's his own, which is really, really good because it's hard to find shops that do that. Here's an example. He did an oil change for my car. Usually if I was doing an oil change, I would just drain the oil real quick, let it all flow out for like 10 minutes, and then put some new oil in it. He let it drain for 1 hour because that's what BMW recommends. So he let it drain for 1 hour, let all the oil till it freaking the last drop comes out. Then he closed it up and put new oil in it. So that's how you know he takes his time and he does things perfect the right way, which is good, guys. Because with me, I like cutting corners. But he will not cut corners, bro.
Looks sick.
It's honestly clean, huh?
See, now you have a 2025.
I know. So
That's
if anyone asks, it's 2025 G80. No, that is the craziest part. That is a 2025 style steering wheel. So I don't know. No one really has this.
Yeah, I've never seen it.
The only people that have this right now, I think, are me and Fresh Kicks. Because Fresh Kicks also got it from the same company, and both our cars are the same. But he has a blue stripe, and I have the red.
Yeah, the red looks sick. Goes
The
with
red
this
is nice.
all start-stop button.
And then the blue goes with his car because he has like blue calipers and blue all that stuff.
Sick. Alcantara feels good too.
Dude, it feels so
Feels
freaking
really
good,
good,
bro.
yeah.
I told him like the steering wheel's like the best. What you doing, G? I want to go drive it.
Congrats, bro. It's
Thanks,
sick.
G. Congrats. Happy birthday to me. It's your birthday and I got a steering wheel. Like I told you, it's perfect. I don't know how Daniel got it perfect. I'm not gonna lie, I just went for a little joyride and I think I fell in love with the car even more with the steering wheel. I'm not even joking. The steering wheel alone made me fall in love with the car more. This with the exhaust and the downshifts, like everything combined is just insane, bro. It's so fun to drive now. And the intake noise, the exhaust noise. It's like the perfect G80 right now. I'm not even joking. Oh my god, bro. So sick. Manual was the best decision I ever made. So fun. how fun this is, guys. Ready? This shit is so fun, bro. It's just spinning like crazy. It literally can't hook. The intakes, bro. I hope you guys are able to hear them. Yeah, this car's so fun. Guys, the steering wheel is a must, bro. My new favorite mod so far, I'm not even joking. But again, it's everything combined. The steering wheel, the downpipes, the intakes, the exhaust setup, the manual, all of that combined makes it like perfect, bro. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so freaking fun right now. Like the car's set up perfectly. The intake noise, it's so fun, bro. Yeah, I can't get enough of this car. I'm so freaking happy, bro. The G80 is coming together, bro. I can't wait to make point of view drives for you guys. I know for the longest, going from the F80 to the G80 to a stock G80, I wasn't that like obsessed with it. But I think over time, as the mods are going along, now I'm starting to fall in love with the car so much more, bro. It's kind of hard going from like a modified F80, super loud. I mean, you guys seen my F80. It was so perfect, so sick. Going from that to a stock G80 that was so quiet. You guys heard the stock exhaust on this. It was so freaking quiet. But now that everything's coming together, I am falling so much in love with this car. Now I think the G80 might be a little bit more fun. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Now we got the steering wheel installed. Mark pulled up. Daniel's in here. Mark's in here. Kevin's in here. And we're going in the truck, bro. We're going to, what is like the 6th birthday dinner for Kevin? We're going every day this week.
We're doing this all month.
When is your birthday gonna end, G?
Never.
Because I'm done spending money. No way, we're back again, bro. How many birthday dinners have you had,
What
bro?
is he, like 35 now?
40? Happy birthday to you.
Bro, everybody's looking at the rest of
Look how small I look in this car, bro.
It's a vlog. We're about to crash this thing for the first time.
Should I try to drift it?
Bro, watch out!
What? For what, bro?
I don't know.
Bro, honestly,
Bro,
shit
dude,
is
you can't even control this truck, bro.
Fucking keyboard
This
names.
truck is gonna control you. Make it right at the red light.
Oh!
Bro, there's cops.
Bye, Javier's. Bye, Javier's.
Imagine we get pulled over, Daniel's just laughing at the cop.
Dude, Daniel's on one right
I
now,
showed
bro.
the picture of Daniel.
Bro. Is she going downshift?
Is it? Can you go manual?
Nah.
No. Oh, there we go.
Fucker found it. Oh yeah.
Oh! Oh, it's red! It's red, bro.
Bro, that's the year.
Oh, there goes Noe!
Oh my God.
Damn!
Why is Noe driving?
Bro, he's gone. Look at
Bro, run over these.
Stop.
Run over these Corollas,
Hey.
bro.
Go around, go around.
There you go.
Oh no!
Look, there's Noe. There's Noe. Go catch up.
Hell yeah. Get him. Fuck him up, bro. Fuck him up.
Downshift. Downshift. Oh.
Hey, turn!
Oh no! Monica!
X5 for the win. Go sell this shit, Kevin.
Oh!
Man, you're too skinny. Like, you have no muscle, bro. You can't control this shit. Bro.
Body roll, dude.
Bro.
Oh my god, dude. I almost lost the camera.
Red line.
We had a good boys' night, though. I think.
Did
right? I think so. Happy birthday, motherfucker.
Thanks, bro.
Where are we going tomorrow?
There you go. Fuck
I know. Where do you want to go
He's over
tomorrow?
here brake boosting it. What are you, brake boosting?
Go.
Oh! Oh! Chirp chirp!
Oh.
Oh!
Traction's off? Traction's off? Alright, go. We got
Bro, it's not gonna do
the
anything.
sky above us, bro.
Bro, it's not gonna do anything, bro.
Go, let's hear it chirp.
Bro, you feel the ass just lift, bro. Dude, that's just crazy. It just lifts.
Go. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god,
A lot of
dude.
smoke is in the back.
Drift that.
Hey.
Oh! Daniel's wildin', bro.
Bro, I swear.
For real though.
Bro, he's got the rich laugh.
Oh shit, cops though, cops though.
Hey, watch out, fool.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.